How to add payment method on Shein app. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add payment method on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to add a payment method on the Shein app, then basically what you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch a Shein app on your phone. Then make sure to add the products that you want to buy to your cart or your bag, then tap the bag icon. Now just go to the checkout page, and once you go to the checkout page, make sure to enter your delivery address. Now if you want to add a payment method, it is right during the checkout process where you have to add it. So you can choose to add a credit or debit card or your PayPal account or Venmo, or you can also simply buy now and then pay later if you have all these sorts of Zip and Amex and so on, or even Klarna. So if you'd like to pay with this, then you can just go ahead and select that, or you can just select either of these payment methods such as your Venmo or maybe your credit or debit card. Then just tap on the place order button, and then you should be able to go ahead and then add a payment method respectively. And this is simply how you can add a payment method on the Shein app. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.